Clipped screen footage of Joe Biden and Donald Trump on the debate stage, followed by dramatic headlines: Biden struggling, Trump fact-checked, voters alarmed. The first 2025 presidential debate was supposed to bring clarity to a high-stakes race. Instead, it sparked confusion, concern, and crisis for both candidates. A montage of media headlines: Biden's debate disaster, Trump dodges, Biden's fumbles. Time for new nominees. While former President Donald Trump repeated false claims and dodges key question, it was President Joe Biden's performance that truly stunned viewers and sent shockwaves through the political world. Biden freezing mid-sentence, struggling to finish a response. The 82-year-old president appeared visibly frail, stumbled over this world, at times lost his train of thought entirely, raising serious doubts about his mental stamina heading into a second term. CNN anchors say that this was a tough night for the president. His team needed to project strength, but many saw vulnerability. Polls taken after the debate paint a stark picture. A majority of voters said Biden looked too old to serve another term. 67% of independents say they were less confident in his candidacy. And even some Democrats are now openly questioning whether he should continue. Democratic strategy on MSNBC. Privately, lawmakers are panicking. This was not just a bad night, it was a flashing red light. Meanwhile, Trump, though more forceful, faced criticism for repeating debunk claim, dodging questions on January 6 and refusing to commit to expecting the 2025 election results. Trump provoking on policy questions, raising his voice, reeling up the crowd. Fact checker on debate moderator recap. Neither candidate offered much detail, but Trump largely stuck to rhetoric and avoided accountability. Still, most media coverage has centered on Biden's fitness to continue. The president's campaign has gone into damage control, releasing new footage of Biden as campaign stops, meeting with veterans and emphasizing his work ethic. Biden at a rally post-debate: I had a rough night, but I know how to do this job. I know how to beat Donald Trump again. But behind the scene, party leaders are weighing contingency plans, with discussions about whether Biden might step aside before the Democratic National Convention in August. Capitol Hill DNC headquarters closed-door meetings. Names floated as potential replacements include Vice President Kamala Harris, Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer, California Governor Gavin Newsom, and Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro. For voters, the debate has thrown the 2025 race into uncharted territory, with two historical unpopular candidates both carrying heavy baggages and now deeper questions than ever about their ability to lead. Voter in Pennsylvania speaking: I don't know who I am supposed to vote for now. One, I can't finish a sentence that the other won't answer a question. American flag voters at polling mothers, split screen of Biden and Trump with other dramatic music building. As the next debate approaches in September, the pressure is on both campaigns, but especially on President Biden to prove they are up to the task of leading a deeply divided nation. Should Biden step aside? Did the debate change your side and change your vote? Drop your thoughts in the comments and like, share and subscribe for more 2025 election coverage.